here at the head of the table. Let your head rock with me here. Good. Nice. And go this way. Let your head rock with me this side. Good. One more. We are extra tight there. Hi everyone, Dr. Angie here at Chiropractic, and we have Tanya here with us today. She's experiencing some neck pain. Tanya, tell me about it. What are we noticing today?
So really it started yesterday during yoga.
Okay.
I learned I couldn't do one of the moves, and I was very like, what's a good word for it? I went to do the wheel, and my upper back was like, nah, it wasn't
That's a tough
moving.
one.
Yeah.
There's a reason why it's not like not everybody jumps into that one, but are we feeling like upper back into the shoulders, or are we feeling it more in like the top of the neck?
Upper back into the shoulders.
Okay.
I do a lot of desk work, so
yeah,
it's a lot of this.
A lot of this.
Yeah.
No desk shrimps. We don't want desk shrimps. Okay, let's go ahead. I'm gonna have you start out laying face down for me. We're gonna check out that upper back area, and we'll look into adjusting the lower for you. And going down. Maybe. There we go.
Gotta love these tables.
Yeah. What's funny is that he fixed it.
I know.
Oh yeah. So we're finding a lot of taut fibers, really tight muscles, some trigger points. Any headaches associated with the neck and shoulder pain going on?
Yes, so I started getting headaches around like 2 days ago,
Okay.
and they come and go.
Gotcha. Did you notice it was worse after yoga?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So a lot of times trigger points, they have a referral pattern. If they're an active trigger point, it just causes, I don't want to say random, but random pain. And a lot of times trigger points here in the upper trap can refer pain up into the neck and sometimes around into a headache. And then we'll also get tight ones right at the top of the shoulder here. So those upper trap fibers, levator scap fibers, everything around that shoulder. Let's see if we got some matching ones on this side. Yeah. Try something for me. Just look up like you're trying to look at the window in front of you. Is there pain with that? Or
No.
just tight?
Just tight.
Okay, go ahead and relax down. All right. Good. Felt some ribs moving? We'll take it. Over here. Good. All right, take a breath in for me. And breathe it all out. Good. One more. Bring it over here at the head of the table. Let your head rock with me here. Good. Nice. We do the same thing on this side. I'm going to try that a different way. Sorry, Carly, it was in your way. There we go this way. Let your head rock with me this side. Good. One more. We are extra tight there. All right, I'm going to bring you on up, and I'll have you lay on your back for me.
Okay. There's something in the middle of the road.
The fun things about having windows.
I know.
Carly's like, what's out there? I mean, not gonna lie, I do that a lot when I'm working on people. I'll be like, The worst one though is you hear a horn honk and you hear the screeching tires, and I'm like, one day I will hear the. Like, hopefully not anytime soon, but I'm waiting for it. One day it will happen. Oh yeah. All the way up into this left side.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna do a little stretch here. Let your head just rock with me. I'm gonna do a pin and stretch. Oh yeah. That was a lovely face. Mm-hmm. That's why I know I got the right spot. Good. Keep breathing. That's important. Keep breathing. All right, so we got lower on this left side. Let it rock with me. Good. I had a patient say the other day, they were like, you like this way too much. And I'm like, well, I do it for a living. I better like it. It's a lot of fun. There it is. Nice. Little pull. I'm just going to sit and apply a little pressure to the suboccipitals here. Just keep letting your head just relax with me. Good. All right, one more little traction here. Good. All right, and I'll bring you on up. Yep. If the table will let me. All right. And that is a cervical treatment. Does it feel slower?
Yep.
Okay. Thanks for watching, everyone.